All right, well, here is the Hoover 750. Let's get some light behind me here. It's kind of shadowy in the front of it. Oh, and there's Toro. All right. Here's a plug that's on it. Oop. Probably a replacement. And then here you can see the right kind of angle there. It's kind of got some damage and such. The switch. Let's look at the bottom of it. Oops, clunk. Here we go, trying to get more light. You can see the bristles aren't really that short. Yep. There we are, that's what I'm trying to show. And of course the lack of a proper thingy. Sorry, I was looking at that myself. And of course the attachment box. There we are. In here we have the instruction book. And it is the correct instruction book. Look at that after we have a look at the attachments. The adapter. Hose. Let's get the crevice tool out. I think that one's had more use than the brush, but it's hard to say for sure. I mean, the hose just looks, oops. Hose just looks brand new. Oh, goodness. Crackling, I move it, that always makes me nervous. Let's give it the official hose test here. And it passes, of course. Oh my goodness, look. at this. Isn't that just the neatest thing? And this goes up there. And the hose manual. In this envelope. Oh! I didn't even look at this other side of this envelope. The Hoover Filter Air Dust Tight Bag. As you can see, it's just another bag, very similar, with a different color print. And this one shows absolutely no signs of ever having been used. And considering it's in the original package still, I would say it's probably never been used. Now let's see what it sounds like, shall we? The buzz actually is running the brush. Wow, that's a very smooth running old Hoover. This was obviously kept in very good condition, and I would say it's probably been serviced. Definitely it's been serviced, because there's no way those bearings would be that smooth with the original grease in them. You can see it's had a sticker on the handle. It's been in vacuum stores, which is not a bad thing. To me, that's a good thing. It's been serviced.